So I go for the smoothing treatment and I love this and it is good. But I think there is something which I don't want to discuss, but it's okay. But when the hair color happened, it is good. And what I need is styling my hair now. So I will be focusing on how to style my hair in different types. The first thing is that, and the other thing, I will make sure I don't get splittings. Because in smoothing treatments and all, it's like for 15 days it's good, but after the 15 days you need to take care of your hair as well. Because to get it moisturized and to get it, all kind of strength from your diet and all. So you have to make sure your scalp is not dry and your roots are strong and you need to make sure that before going to bed you need to get the oiling in your head and after waking up you need to drink more water. These kind of small what we say habits can change our face and hair as well because it shines from within. Okay, if you try for 60 days the basic things and I'm telling you it will change your uh, daily routine as well. This is you gonna love yourself. Okay, so I tried it and I felt myself good again. And so if you try for 60 days, like drinking more water and taking care of yourself and going for the hair color, smoothing, putting mask, not within 1 month. Like 1 month, if you take the mask, okay, so it is good and after 2 months it is good. Means whenever you feel that there is dryness in your hair, so you can use the mask, okay. And I use within like one time in a month I use it because my hair are moisturized now, so I need that. And so I need to take care that my hair does not get split, okay. And also one thing I need to take care of the things uh, whenever I see splitting in my hair now, so I become conscious and I'm like, I need to get a good haircut for that. So I don't believe in such thing, but when once I see it now, I become very conscious. So right now I'm very happy because I got new treatment and all. But after 15 days, it will feel like okay, I need to, uh, get those split ends out of my head. Out of my hair. So I right now I'm very happy, but it's my habit. Whenever I open my hair, I also notice and I keep looking at it. But okay, then I ignore it, and when it get a long hair and all, so you have to be more careful, especially you have a child with you. Okay, and this is my. I can say that this phase like from Feb to April. This is my self-care time also, keeping things in mind. Sometimes I do forget, this thing happens with me whenever I go to washroom, I forget two things for sure. And then I remember, no, 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 I need to get that. So again, I need to go out from that particular place and then search for the things because when I'm with him, I only think of him, okay. I forget about myself, like what, like basic things I forget. Need to drink water. Earlier I used to drink water, now I forget to drink that, okay. And I have this habit like it's 4 o'clock, I need to get the refreshment time. So after him, I forget that also. And early morning I used to have lemon juice. After him, I forget that also to take care of myself and to go for a walk also I forget that. So these kind of because you are tired from within, okay, like getting things on that place whole day, like you try not once, twice, thrice. You try whole day. It's a circle. Like okay, once you keep the things at the right place, then again you need to keep that same thing at the right place twice. Okay, so this is kind of then you are tired mentally. Okay, you are like okay, I'm done with this thing. I need a space. I need to talk about the things which how it feels to keep the same thing again at the right place, and how it feels to not want means you don't want to do that, but you have to do that because you are a mother, okay? So that kind of thing you want. And right now, if my son is like, he is like, if I keep him busy, he's busy, okay? He's like that. He if I give him activity, he will do that. If I give him like cycle and all, he will ride that. But if he sees me that I'm doing some kind of work, like if I go for the packing right now, he will come and jump off, and he will make sure that I don't do that, okay? Which this kind of activity I'm not used to, okay? So once he did that, now then I'm fed up. I'm like, I got the time to concentrate what I need to do, and then he is coming and jumping off over my head, and pulling my hair, and I'm like, ठीक है. अब मुझे ऐसे सोचना पड़ता है कि अब मैं जाऊं तो ये आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, इसलिए आई एम टेकिंग माय टाइम आउट कि whether he gets tired and get to the sleep, and then I'll do it, because that is more productivity, you can say, more good time to utilize. Because if the work is of 30 minutes, you are doing in 30 minutes, okay? If the work is of 10 minutes and you are taking 1 hour, that is not uh, productivity, I would say. So I'll take time out. Okay, whether he gets tired, whether I get tired. Let's see who gets tired. That's my observation with my child. So I just one more thing is that ki after like this 2 years, okay, after 2 years when after 2 years, like I am happy, first thing, and the second, I am happy, yes. And the second is like, I don't want to share, but it is like, I will tell you later, okay? For sure, I will tell you. अच्छा लग रहा है ना? थैंक यू. मैंने एक्चुअली उसको लाइटर शेड बोला था, पर उसका पास यही शेड था, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, चल कोई नहीं. सो आई वाज मेरे को अच्छा लगा ये शेड भी, और मेरे को ऐसे नहीं लगा. एंड थोड़ा डार्कर शेड हो गया, पर मुझे नहीं पसंद है ऐसे डार्कर शेड. सो आई कीप डूइंग माय शैम्पू आफ्टर 2 days, सो दैट थोड़ा लाइट शेड हो जाए जैसा मेरे को चाहिए. Because in small town you don't get the things you as you want. This is for sure. You need to adjust. Okay, that's the basic thing. Even if it is from a good salon or whatever, you can say it's not the the same thing you want. It's like you need to get adjust. Like, mm, I'm like, I'm paying for it. Yeah, you should give me the same exact color which I asked for. So let it be. And then कहते हैं ना, the change को accept करना सीखो. you know accept the परिवर्तन आना चाहिए and all. तो परिवर्तन करते करते हम खुद को भूल जाए, उसका क्या? कि हम कैसे थे, इतना कोई परिवर्तन होता है? लाइक ऐसे बोलते हैं कि परिवर्तन जीवन का वो क्या कहते हैं, एक हिस्सा है. हाँ, माना हिस्सा है, जीवन तो नहीं है पूरा. या आप वो परिवर्तन के चक्कर में खुद को ही भूल जाओ कि आप कैसे थे, क्या थे. तो मेरे को मेरे हेयर, जब मैं मास्क यूज करती हूँ तब बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, पर स्मूथनिंग में भी ठीक ही है, मुझे सही लग रहा है. तो शैम्पू मैं अब लेके आऊंगी, क्योंकि पहले मैं ट्रायल एरर करती हूँ, और फिर मैं अपने हिसाब से अपना शैम्पू लेके आती हूँ. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ स्कॉर्कॉफ लेके आऊँ, या फिर मैं सोच रही हूँ लॉरेल पैरिस लेके आऊँ, या फिर एक्सपोज लेके आऊँ. सो इन तीन में से मैंने सोचा कि मैं कौन सा लेके आऊँ. तो मैं अब लेके आऊंगी, देखते हैं. ठीक है. और मुझे एक्सपोज का सही लग रहा है. एक्सपोज में लाइक यू गेट द सेम केमिकल एज इन यूज्ड इन योर स्मूथनिंग ट्रीटमेंट. मुझे एक्सपोज कंपनी का सही लग रहा है, क्योंकि एक्सपोज के शैम्पू और कंडीशनर भी अच्छे होते हैं, एंड इसमें जो मेरी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है स्प्लिटेंस वाली, वो हट जाएगी. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि उस पर मेरा ध्यान जाए नहीं. तो देखते हैं, एक्सपोज का ही सही रहेगा। वरना स्क्वारकॉफ भी अच्छा है, स्क्वारकॉफ का अच्छा है, पर ऐसा है कि स्क्वारकॉफ जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है, लाइक within 28 days it's finished. And I want ki at least if I'm paying some higher price to a product, तो it durability तो रहनी चाहिए, थोड़ी देर ज्यादा चलना चाहिए। तो मेरा हमेशा ये रहता है कि यार नहीं यार, मैं थोड़ा सा क्वांटिटी वाइज देख के लेके आऊँ, तो मैंने एक्सपोज ही चूज किया। लेट्स सी। और अम, अब मैं ये वाला देखती हूँ, मेरे जो है कलर हुआ है, इसको मैं हटा भी सकती हूँ ऐसे करके, लाइक दिखेगा भी नहीं। तो मैं हेयर स्टाइलिंग सीखूंगी। अभी थोड़ा सा मेरे पास टाइम है, 15 मिनट्स में कौन कौन सी हेयर स्टाइल्स मेरे पे अच्छी लगेगी, अब मैं वैसे करके एंड देन आई विल put the videos in my life।